Hi Chris, this is Chris Hibbler here with your Arena board. It's inside my Gottlieb RoboWars. This is my switch matrix tester, and this is your board, and so I'm going to run across all these switches, test each row and column. That's like row 3, column 3 now. There's 4, 5, 6, 77. I'll test a few more, but you get the idea here. You did have a couple of blown chips on there that I replaced. Unfortunately, one of them was a 6532 Riot. You probably can't see it in this video, but it's good to go now. Thanks.